lot of times, I mean, I was just sitting in a meeting the other day with a key leader in Lansing, and there was a situation that had hurt me personally, and I was there to talk about it. And what I found out was that there were some things I didn't know. And sort of restorative justice practices rather than punitive practices coming in, all guns blazing, which is a bad metaphor for me because I'm a pacifist. But the
all torches blazing,
all torches,
all pitchforks raised,
yeah, whatever, all spotlights shining in the dark spaces.
Yes.
But just to come in and say, there's probably things I don't know yet, and if I was in their shoes and knew what they knew, I might have a sense that there's more complexity to this decision than what seems to me on the surface to be a simple decision.